Hey parents and family members, are you ready for a new school year to begin? Are you curious about what your child does at school all day? Are you interested in getting the scoop on all things first grade? Hi, my name is Mrs. Davis and I will be your child's teacher this year. I wanted to introduce myself and invite you to East Bend's school-wide open house. Open house is a chance for you to come on in and explore the classroom and get a picture of what first grade is really all about. I will be there to welcome you and your child. I look forward to meeting you both. Not only will you receive information about the school year, but I will be available to listen to your concerns and hopefully answer any questions that you have. First grade is a wonderful adventure, so let's start our journey at Open House. This year, Open House will be on August 8th between 5 and 7. So just come on in at your convenience. Make plans now to attend. That's August 8th from 5 to 7. And I look forward to seeing you there.